Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi 12 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can manage autocorrection on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down. Then click on Additional Settings over here. Now you need to click on Languages and Input, Manage Keyboards, and Revert. Finally, click on Text Correction, scroll down just a bit, and select this switcher next to autocorrection. As you can see now, automatic text correction is enabled, but you can always disable it by clicking on the same now blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!